Within the first year, you'll be looking at 3 academic modules within that year. One of the modules is to sort of give people a foundation for hospitality. You'll also learn how to manage food and beverage outlets sustainably. So sustainability is a big aspect of this course, but also to understand how we use service as a key differentiator within the business environment. During year 2, you'll also study 3 academic modules which include rooms division management, strategies for revenue management, and also digital marketing for hotels. Digital marketing for hotels and strategies for revenue management utilise a world-class simulation software. Students are able to run their own hotel in a virtual environment where they can use their practical skills they've gained at the Celtic Manor, but also those they've learned within the classroom academically. Finally, in year 3, you'll study international business management, also leadership and management, and sustainable hotel operations. Alongside the academic modules in each year of the course, students will also carry out work-based learning modules.
So when the students are with us at the Celtic Manor Resort, which comprises 50% of their degree credits, they have exposure to every area of the business. From front of house, such as food and beverage, our sort of reception desks, housekeeping departments, but also they get a real insight into what happens back of house. So they get to visit places like the finance teams, HR, sales and revenue, and so forth. So it really is a full 360 look at running a business of this nature.